Hey, at least I'm breathing. I know.
Boombox blasting and we're just laughing. The neighbors try to shut us down, but you know they can blame us for acting shameless. No, we just like to have some fun. We just like ooh.